Welcome to Money Mavericks. Today, I will be showing you why law of attraction is biblical. Sit and enjoy. 1. And all things, whatsoever you shall ask in prayer, believing, you shall receive. Matthew 21 verse 22. Jesus said that anything that you ask in a prayer, believe that it will be given to you. 2. Ask, and it shall be given to you, seek, and you shall find, knock, and it shall be opened unto you. Matthew 7 verse 7. Jesus wants to plant in his followers the seeds of self-belief. 3. The kingdom of heaven is within. Luke 17 verse 21. You are instructed towards seeking heaven within yourself. 4. I and my Father are one. John 10 verse 30. His refers to the fact that we are not limited to our bodies, but in essence we are one with the source. 5. If thou can believe, all things are possible to him that believeth. Mark 9.23. This is again one of the several verses in the Bible that stress the value of belief. Subscribe for part 2.